This hot water tap's been dripping for quite some time now. It just needs a new washer, I believe, so let's have a go. First of all, we'll sort out the tools we need. So the tools I will actually be using are an old box cutter Stanley knife, just to take the cap off the top of the tap, a screwdriver to remove the screw, a 17mm socket and bar which just fits nicely, and a piece of pipe which will fit over the tap there to hold it, to stop it from turning, and a piece of old wire wool just to clean the seat. The first job is to find the stop tap for the mains water supply. It's always good to know where it's located and easy to access in case of an emergency, unlike this one. Just a quick check to see if the water's off. So there are two ways I can do this repair: replace the washer or change the complete valve from this new tap somebody gave me. That's a lot tighter than I expected. I really don't want to disturb the fitting underneath this tap, as it's really a swine to get to, so we'll try plan B.
Well, plumbers come to that very easy.
I'll give the inside of the tap a bit of a clean up with the wire wool. That's as good as I'm going to get it with wire wool. I'm using the new valve assembly. I've got some silicone O-ring lubricant just to put on the threads. Time to turn the water back on and flush out any bits of wire wool. A quick look at the old washer shows no splits in it, but there is some debris embedded in it, possibly old limescale particles. That's it, seems okay. I've got to go and put all that stuff back in the shed.